Hey guys, welcome in today's video where I will try to show you how to make spits on your model or spittle around your models. Today I will use the Demogorgon, which I printed before. I think the video is on the channel already. So I will try to return it because like the Demogorgons from the Stranger Things, they have the spits all around the face and everywhere. So I will try to apply them. I will be using the 5-minute epoxy, and also I will try to add some color. This is, I think, the second time which I'm doing this. First time it was the Alien Queen bust. The video is also on the channel, so you can try to check it. But like I'm a little bit scared because there are two ways how to make it. One is by epoxy, and second, as I heard, is the transparent silicone. I will try the epoxy, and hopefully I will not ruin all of my models. So maybe instead the big one, I will start with the smaller one because I have 3 of them in the diorama which I have. So the small one is like champion number 1. Yeah. So what is also important, please use the safety gloves and the mask, because the smell which is made when it's hardened or start to activating the epoxy, it's very toxic and I think it can kill you. I will not use them today because I will try to speak as a little bit. You will also need an anti-cup plus something where you can mix it inside the cup. The cup you will throw away, and also I'm using these ear tampons, or how you call them, to apply the smallest layer as I can on the model. So we will see. And also the small filament is maybe went well. We will see. It will be hard, as I hope it will go okay. What is also important, if this is hardened on the model, it's also really shiny, but really shiny. It's one of the most glossy varnishes you can find. So please, like, be careful. You need to know what are you doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is the reason why we are making video on it. And I will try to make it a little bit white, because the spits are white, right? Like normally spits, it doesn't spit the blood. So we will take one part. It should be one by one. So it's like by eye, just like fuck it, I don't care. Just like this. Another important info is like you have 5 minutes to apply it and make it harden. So it's like, and also it generates really heat, so the cup become maybe a little bit softer on the touch. So we starting right now. This is somewhere around the same. So I will up a little bit of the white color, the dead white from the value. Okay, so this will go. And now I'm going to mix it. Oh, this is really white. I put like 4 drops there. Yes, but like, I think it's a spit. We will see. Maybe, as I say, maybe I will ruin all the model. But like, yeah. Okay, still nothing. It's still soft on the touch. Mix it properly. I will try to doesn't smell it. Like, oh shit! Oh fuck! It smells like really old horse poop, or I don't know, like something more specific. It's transparent but still white. Still no, it doesn't make the heat, so it's like we still have the time. So, and now there is the important part. I will try to apply it, the small spits around the mouth. So I hope you can see it. You need to like have enough material to connect. It's still too early. The epoxy is still not like hardening. I think the best time to make it is like just like minute. It's starting to smell really bad. yeah, it's getting harder. It's almost already hardened, and it's really hot. The cup is like really hot. As you see, I think overall this is workable, right? It's almost already hardened. This is already hot like hell. Smell like piece of shit, but like a really smelly one. When my dog is like running away. But they made the spits around the mouth, right? You see, it's a little bit too wide. I think the 4 drops was too much on the small amount. So I will use like maybe a little bit of red to just up more the bloody or even I don't know, it's even maybe one light blue. I don't think it's quite bad. Like that depends on your point of view, but I kind of like it, so I will let it dry. And okay, and we will try to use the bigger one. This one is the smaller number 1. Yes, it's quite bigger. So this is quite hot. So I'm not sure if I can use it again. I shouldn't. Give me a second. Maybe I will use the different one for the second, and then come back for the first one. So again, one by one. Now I know that I need just a small amount, so few drops of this. I can add the color, as this will be really painful, but just like easy small drop. Small one. Yes. Can take the okay. And now we are adding the second part, mix it. Okay. As you see, it's not a very good idea to put it in the paper towels. Okay. I think this is please wear the mask. It's really important to wear the mask because these really smell like piece of shit. But like a really bad piece of shit. So 5-minute epoxy. The 5-minute timer began. So I will just like try to, because the amount is so small, and I will try to apply it again by the wire because I think it's like the most convenient choice by me. Please go away, my friend. Here we are. Okay. It's not hot. I hate the gloves, so I think the piece of the filament it was like a good idea. Make it a little bit more pointy. Just have a small tip, which you are using for applying. I think the basic is like basic is like adding basically here, and when it's starting to harden, you just take it and connect these two pieces of the mount, and when it's starting to harden, it's still keeping all of them. As you see, it's like 5-10 minutes and it's still there. And you can use airbrush and brush it a little bit. Depends on you. Okay, I think the time began. because like now you see it will not keep the stretches all the way where you need them. So it's like you can try to connect them, but like it will not hold. So just put there some bigger amount, then you can like just correct the amount how much you need there and connect them. It's starting to harden because I'm smelling the shit smell. So I think we are close to finish with the epoxy. Yeah, it's starting to harden. So now you need to like add these connections between them. And now you are taking from up, down, up, down. It's like, what is the shame? I didn't apply the drops from here to down. It's like, I think we will see how it looks, but like, yes, this is the result. And I think it's look like a spit. I think it's like we need to add a little bit red color. It's like they have the blood all around the mouth, so we need to add a little bit of the detail here to see how it's going. Nice. I think overall it's a really nice detail for your models. If you want them to look like real one, this is really nice. I'm very happy. Maybe you are not. Let me know in the comment. But for me, this is like, I think it's really nice. Okay, it's not even hot so much. I think these ones are thicker than the other slim. So I will let you go here for a minute. And we have our the mother of the Demogorgons. This one is really nice. I like it. I love to paint him. As you know, I'm using airbrush mostly, but some of the lines are made by the classic brushes. I still doesn't find the good ones, so I'm still looking for the good brushes. So if you are based in Czech or in Europe and you have the link for the brushes on the online store, just let me know. That's okay. I will help a little bit of it, and I will add the color. Just again, the smallest pieces I'm capable to make it, the smallest drop, even the big one. So okay, this could be good. This could be good. And now it will be really hard because I think the spits now. It's I didn't have this one before. How? Oh, it smells like shit. The smell is really like not comfy. So if you are in a room, please open the window. It's like, or you may puke on your model, and he doesn't want this, alright? Because you like your model. You spend a lot of time to paint them and to prepare them for this, so he doesn't want to spit on them. Okay, this time this doesn't add much the white color, so it may be even better than the white one. Let's see how it looks on the end. Mixing is done. Yeah. So guys, this is it after it dry, and I think it's amazing. Just from far away you see all of it here and here, and I think it's like really nice. I think this one is too white, so we will see. And this is good. Yes, it dried out, and I think the overall the model looks a little bit more disgusting, or how to say. So this is how to make spit on your model, the spitter model. More disgusting, more ugly, and you'll see. I like it. So this is my opinion, and for sure I will use it again in other models. So thank you and see you next time.